guys, in this video I will be playing Build and continuing my build of Path of Torture and some more stuff, I guess. Don't know what what I should do because there isn't much to do. Still haven't made a video yet. Sadly. I mean, all of you are probably like still waiting for a video. Maybe. Not too sure. Maybe not. Anyway, pretty much so far, there's a robo limiter, there's some starting parts. There is a barrier, by the way. And jumping on top of it, you could. Potentially, but it's not too easy. Then you just go here. Here. Planning to make more cool parts to it, extend it further, extend it up, you know, all that. This will probably be pretty great. Maybe. I'm missing one thing. Those who use the trial tool to clone and move stuff would know that it's a plastic block. Just a random plastic block to place on top. Like, what else could it be, though? If not a random... If not a random plastic block. Come on. This looks pretty great. Nah, people can jump. It'd be fine. Pump out a little. This would be a plausible jump. We'll combine together, man. More and portion more up. Alright, so far it's going pretty great. Outside the map is not parts of the file we can see. Anyway. There is no good. Outdoor does just most of the time just go straight up, so let me set this to what? How many? 100. Why not? 100. Now you won't have to worry about wall length for a while. For a good one. one, I just. Yeah, I don't have to worry. No one. Don't have to worry about walling. Plus, I want to make the part to where it goes to the side. Yeah, it could be very unique, you know. There's so much space for stuff. Hmm. 100. Yeah, you know, I'm just gonna. We're gonna do some mirror tool. Scales. Scale. Mag. This. Yes. It's not exactly very even. I guess there's still at 48. 48, I guess. And 0.2. $100.1 is not need so 29 0 3.4, I guess. You will make it bigger to the side, of course. But then I can use to 20 without the top one. Perfect. I'm guessing it's at 40. I'm planning to make a farm for the parkour, like bombs, around, end up going for a hole in the wall there, and continue the way on. The platform is a little large, actually. How much distance? 28 down 5, 50 down 5. I need 8 more blocks. 8 more blocks, right? Would work. If I just pull up the 0 scale too. Right? That's how I'm rating them. Add on an extra 100. What is be first? Perfect. I have to make it big, like cave-like chasm. Oh, by 100. Nah, I need to extend it by 50. Yeah. Wait, why not extend? I'm gonna have to skip it back. Pull out the move tool. It's a good concept, I'm sure. I set this to 0. This is gonna be so cool when it's near finished. Let me finish my current blueprint plans. Oh, now I need to deal with stuff over here. Slide. Be careful. Oh, 0. Then pull out F. The plan is to outside it. Move to wait. It's like that's good enough. Yeah, it's good enough. Up. With all this space, I can make stuff way more special, way more awesome, way more cool, way more nice, way more enjoyable. Honestly, I feel like I could finish this soft video, but I'm currently on a video, so I do need content. By the way, while you're like streaming on your stream, like explain more Ito, explain more Ito. If you are, you gotta understand that it didn't work out. I tried different times, it didn't work out too well. And then I was like, you know what? Okay, you know what? Okay, it's not that cool anymore. It's not that worth it anymore. And then I stopped, you know. I think I would be. No, wait. Continue. Yes, perfect. Now, since it's 50 size, I'm sure I can just change it to 15 scale this. Well, yo, this is gonna be a pretty crazy map as soon as I finish it. Honestly, playing this with my friends might be pretty fire. Honestly, might be worth enough for some bigger buildable creators to reach out. Can I keep playing buildable and doing all these? I think I should do both. Crazy. Sounds crazy, I know. Let me go $50. Scan slide. Nice. $50 is gonna be. Switch. Way too much. No. That's 50. Then what is 40? 40 is perfection. Huh. This is actually so cool though. Like you're gonna have to like go through this area, parkour. There's gonna be some parkour. There's gonna be some puzzles and maybe parkour. Maybe you'll have to go from here to here. You know. Then in this area, you could go need to go here somewhere. The parkour might start here, and then you have to climb by climb. And there's gonna be like, then there could be like a plank from here over to here, higher up, and then there's just gonna be like a plank straight, like a plank to here or something. Like there's so much creative mind that can be put into what I'm building. But some people sometimes just can't be creative and just not creative enough. They don't think creative enough. This is actually cool. It has like shadows and stuff. Ah. Oh, I wonder. Are these more? Everything here is actually the exact same color. Understood. Hmm. I could add some shading, but I don't. The fastest way to add on a roll would just be to. And then since I kept scaling it by 50, and I'm not trying to use all my plastic here, so I'm still going to. Then I could all the parts I could bring down would be great. I know I'm not. Feels accurate enough, I'm sure. What if going to the side? Oh, dang. That's not gonna be like that. Because of scale 50 and bang. But wait. Base maybe actually scale 40. I don't know. I don't know. It should work, so. It works, so I guess it's good. Wait, what? Good job. Oh, come on. Better to overpatch it than like zero move. Perfect. They may be sticking out a little bit, but look at that. No more gaps. I still couldn't make more choice work. But hey, what can you say? This is pretty great progress actually. Then you continue from up here to. I just realized something that makes the roof I built up here kinda stupid. Would it be possible to clone one? Or is it says mirror tool? Yeah, mirror tool last one. That's the thing, you know? It's not exactly work too well, does it? Not actually. The console. Imagine I only even scale it by 10 to make it work. That guy looks like the size of one. I'm gonna change the scale to. This is pretty good. I can just keep scaling that wall up. So I think that wall is bigger than what, like 40? Still bigger by like 10, isn't it? And it was fun. It was 20. Yeah, makes a lot more sense. 1, 2, 3. This looks amazing. You gotta understand, this looks great, but it doesn't. But it ends up like a good bit higher than I used to. But problem is, yeah, get up there. So I'm missing some planks and stuff. Yeah. I think I need. Oh. Excuse me. Picture drawing pixel. Why is it changing? Oh my god. Oh, I got to clean up my keys for too long. Nice, I fixed up the 5 key, but now there's a, easy. Nice, now I fixed up my 5 key on the keyboard. It was kind of jamming, that's all. I'm gonna wait until it's 40 minutes actually. Cool. I might just make another video on Lineup for this video. You know what? Actually, yeah, I'll do that instead. Okay. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed watching me play some Build-A-Boats. I did need to unclog my key because it kind of got stuck. I'm gonna work on fixing it up before I make the next video for today, because I'm trying to make like 2 videos right. Anyway, the next video is also gonna be on this. It's gonna be also on screen, like right about now, because like and subscribe. And this is the end of the video. Bye bye.